my name is Lisa Graves and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay, so I've applied my nail prep and my primer and I've popped a base coat on and cured that as well. So this is the size that I'm going for. This one is a size 4. So it's going to fit quite nicely on there. So you can have your hand back some, but don't touch anything. Right, so we're going to be ombreing and I'm using the soft white and the bright orange. So the bright orange is going to be going on the lowest section of this nail. So I'm going to apply that first. So, and because this is a cocktail, again, I love nails like this that you don't have to make perfect. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. So obviously when you pour a cocktail, it's not going to be a perfect ombre. So what I'm going to do is squeeze out some of this orange. Not too much, because remember we need to be keeping this relative. It's beautiful, isn't it? And I'm going to pop that down there using a slip solution. So ordinarily I'd work up this section first. Let's zoom in a little bit for this. But for this I want to work on the extension area first. So make sure you've got your, oh, we need to be a little bit longer, don't we? Pull that down a little bit. Make sure you're coming all the way over to the sides. Right, so when you're done with that, I'm going to give this a little cure with the light, because what I don't want is when I put the white on, I don't want to be distorting that nice little fade that we've done. So now we can use our white. Squeeze out just a bit of that up at the top. Back into my slip solution. And again, I need to make sure that this top section is really nice and thin. Make sure you're coming up those side walls. And then we can fade that out. Now you shouldn't see much of this fade behind the orange, so just blend that out, but then you can come back and check like that. That looks quite cool, that, doesn't it? I sound almost surprised. So keep checking, look for any little bits that you may have missed.
Well, I always find it hard when I'm doing fades with the polygel. I find it easier to do it with an acrylic, so watching you do it,
so I
it's like seeing a master at work.
I just like I do like doing my ombres in acrylic. Right, quite happy with that. So I'm going to give you the torch. So now I'm going to, again, make sure you're coming in at quite a steep angle. Again, I'm not coming so close to the cuticle because I am going to be adding the white on top like I did on the previous nail. Make sure we're nice and lined up. I'm happy with that. Okay, Sam, can you give that a little cure for me, please? This is where we can rope our clients in.
Nothing better than a bit of audience participation.
So when you think that's nice and secure and it's feeling all right, you can turn that off for me, Sam, and then that can go into the lamp for a cure. So I'm just going to need a very, very small amount of white just to perfect that cuticle area. And obviously it does need to be a small amount, because if we put too much on, we're going to be fading that white over the orange that we've already done, and we don't want that. Okay, so
this is where you wiggle it just a little bit.
I forgot about that. A little bit of a wiggle and that'll come away nicely. Just wiggle it left to right and it will pop off. So let's give that a bit of a tidy up first before I add the white. So again, just sorting my side walls out. And I'm just going to blend around the cuticle. Nail is protected, we've still got the base coat there, and I'm not filing as such, it's just a bit of a blend. So this up round here. There's a lot of noise today, a lot of background noise. I do apologise, guys.
Did we tell them that this is a porn star martini one?
Well,
Guess in a minute.
it'll be in the name of the video. Although I am slightly concerned about people searching for porn star martinis on, on YouTube. Make sure you've got your
Make sure you put martini
safety
at the
mode
end.
in. Yeah. Right, so I have got a little bit too much white on there, so I'm going to have to be very careful blending this down that I don't mess my fade up. But that's looking alright. Okay, so when you're happy with that, pop that in for a full cure. Okay, just going to wipe over this now with the Kiwi Nail Plate Cleanser. Just get rid of that little sticky layer. Right, so this is going to be a gloss finish. However, I am painting on here, so I'm going to use a matte finish top coat just so that my paint has got something to stick to. It's just a bit of a nicer surface to work on if you're using your artisan paints. A little bit of fluff in there, we don't want that. There we go. Okay, whack that in for me please, Sam. Okay, right, so we are now going to be painting our passion fruit in the top of this nail. What's in a porn star martini?
So it is vodka, passion fruit liqueur, orange juice, I want to say, or passion fruit juice, and then it comes with a shot of Prosecco.
I don't think I've ever had one. Okay, right, so we are going to need our black artisan paint, our white artisan paint. Now this colour is perfect for passion fruit. This is the neon mauve. Well,
it's like a
that one.
mauve.
We're also using the neon orange.
Oh wow!
Look at that. And then some of the yellow. So I'm just using the normal yellow, not the neon yellow, just because it's got a slightly more muted tone to it, which will blend nice with the neon orange. Brushes, I'm going to be using the 8mm liner, and that's the one I'm going to start off with. So, what's this one called?
Neon mauve.
Mauve. So again, just twisting my brush into it so that my brush is loaded. And do I do it central or off centre? I think off centre a little bit. I don't like things central.
I don't like stuff central.
So I'm just going to roughly outline my passion fruit. Now I'm going to end up saying papaya at some point.
If she says papaya, guys, she means passion fruit. Although you missed it when she called it an avocado.
Yeah, it's not an avocado, is it?
No.
I don't know my fruits that well, obviously. Okay, so once you're semi-happy with your outline, I'm then going to come and thicken this up. And again, I'm not going to stress too much about it being perfect. Some sections can be thicker. There can even be little knobbly bits in there. I don't want it that thick though. Fabulous. Top coat. Where's my top coat?
No, you didn't hit it. You didn't hit it. We're all right. We're all
Keep
right.
your hands still, Sam. Don't touch anything. Right, good blob of top coat on your palette. And I'm using the tip of my brush. And I'm going to apply that to the edge of this mauve. Oh my god. Terrible. Just so I can feather the edge of that colour. And just start blending this out. Okay, right, when you're happy with that, pop that into the lamp. Okay, right, so next up is our neon orange. Okay, when you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp. So while that is in the lamp, I'm just going to get a small bit of black and dilute that down with my top coat. So we're going to make the seeds, but obviously I don't want really black seeds on this. So don't think too much about this. We're just going to blob.
Really good.
Okay, give that a flash cure for me, please, Sam. And then while that's in the lamp, I'm going to get I need a little bit more top coat. I'm going to do the same with my yellow. Add a little bit I'm using my gel art brush now at this point. Just a little bit of the yellow in top coat. Pop that out for me, please, Sam. And I'm going to go over these seeds. It's just going to add a little bit of a yellow hue to them. Okay, pop that one in. Right, so now I'm going to top coat. Where is it? Let's move this out of the way. I'm going to top coat the whole nail, and we're going to be adding some foam effect. In a nice shiny glass. Oh, can we go to the pub?
Which one? The one in my back garden?
Any pub. Any pub. Right, now before that goes into the lamp, you nearly went in the lamp then, didn't you, Sam?
And it's just automatic.
So, just in a small glass, I've added a little bit of washing up liquid to a little bit of water. I'm going to give it a really good fuzz up. And then with my cuticle pusher, I'm just going to spoon some of this, not all over the nail, just in this top section there, like so. And then that can go into the lamp. So it's our frothy porn star. So, which cuticle oil should we go for? Mango.
Anyone.
Because
kiwi.
Mango's similar to papaya, isn't it? Is it?
Well, we're using a passion
It's a fruit. Oh, is it?
I knew you were going to do it.
Oh my god. Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
It's a passion fruit. Oh, I'm terrible.
Does look similar to a papaya.
I don't know what papaya looks like.
Yeah, but you're more of a vegetable person, aren't you?
Yeah.
See, I've got such a sweet tooth. I'm more of a fruit.
It's like around there. There we go. As you can see that frothy effect up there now.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.